In this video I'm going to show you how to do the basic SEO for all of the pages. Suppose I want to do the SEO for the home page. Just click on the settings and then go to SEO, and then here's the website SEO setting. Click website SEO. This is for the home page SEO that I need to write a title with SEO optimize SEO. That means I can write a proper keyword. I can enter a proper keyword on the SEO list, and this is for the home page. And then when I go to other pages, and then I can do the SEO on that page. Suppose I want to make the SEO for the about page. Just click on the setting icon and then make SEO. Yes, here's the SEO title, about page. This will show in here, so you can write about and then enter the after that my website name is showing in here. Okay, and the right about meta description, SEO description, that is need to be 50 to 60 character. So I can write as a new SEO and yes, I just write a little bit description about my about page, and that will be visible on here on the search result, Google search result. If you want, you can hide the page from search result, then just check in here, then it will not be visible on the search result. I'm just enable in here, and then I will check that my page is indexed for the Google or not. Then I just copy the link and then add a new tab, write site clone, and then enter the link. Yes, this is not on my search result, so it will take time to index for the Google, and then we should wait for that. Of course, I am not going to do SEO for this site because this will expire on 26th January, and that's why it is just a demo site that I am going to show you. But of course I will create a new video for a live site so that everyone can understand perfectly, and we can see the live result on the SEO also.